Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply backup and restore GOG games manually? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and launch your GOG application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the installed games, click on the game itself, click on this icon right here on the top and simply click on manage installation and go to show folder. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here where you want to go one step back and then copy this folder right over here, which is the game itself, and you can paste it anywhere for backup. Now once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and uninstall your GOG games or even the game itself, and then simply go ahead and install it back. And when you've installed it back, you can just paste it wherever your download is going to be on. So simply go to C, program files, and then you simply go to GOG Galaxy games and then go to games and just paste it here just like that. It's just a copy that I've made, but there you go. That's how you manually backup and restore on GOG. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.